Hello Rohan and the class. Here is my submission for session number 6. I'm going to run the 6 prompts primarily. So let's go with first one. Now this is the query 1. It is iteration 2. Now it is making use of the memory. So what is good to know? So yep, this is we are able to find the date of birth, date of the death, and then major contributions. So good with this. Let's do the second one, which is multi-tool XOR recovery. Let's do the second one, and I'm not clearing the memory here, by the way, just running it directly. It should iterate 5 or 6 times. Let's see how much. Let's see. It is going to the AccuWeather. Good. These errors are okay, I guess. The validation error, where is the validation error here? Okay, so let's go to the third one. First, before third, I'm going to remove the memory. So this way, no, 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 no. We're going to remove the memory here. Let's run the third one. So the memory.json fact and the 2.txt file in the okay, so the calendar has been set. So let's see one by one. So before we run C2, so this is all the memory in the memory, and how many things. This is the one text file. Now what's the content of this? So you can say get contents. I just want to make sure I can see this. Okay, mom's birthday dot text. Okay, yep, reminder mom's birthday, all good. So now what we are going to do here is we are going to run this when is mom's birthday. So let's see what it does. It should just run it from the memory. Yep, it did. No tool call in this case. That's that was the goal. Now let's remove this and we will run the final one. A single fetch URL and answer chain. Let's see. Then yep, it took 6 iteration, but all the 4 goals were achieved. And let me show you the router. Yep, it is primarily using Gemini, GitHub, and then it also use Siberas, and these are the calls. 10:55, 10. Yep, we saw some errors coming from here itself. That's all I have for today. Thank you very much.